In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make time for yourself with Microsoft To Do. Finding personal time in a busy schedule can be a challenge, but with the help of this tool, you can effectively prioritize moments of self-care amid daily tasks. Let's dive into how you can set this up in just a few simple steps. First, let's start by opening the Microsoft To Do app. You'll find this in your Start menu if you've already downloaded it from the Microsoft Store. If you haven't, don't worry. You can also access Microsoft To Do directly on the web by visiting todo.microsoft.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in using your Microsoft account. This should be the same account you use for Outlook, OneDrive, and other Microsoft services. After entering your email and password, click Sign In, and you should now have access to your tasks. Now that we're inside the app, let's focus on making time specifically for yourself. Navigate to the My Day section within Microsoft To Do. This is where you can dedicate specific tasks or time slots solely for self-care. Think about activities that rejuvenate you, like exercise, meditation, reading, or perhaps a hobby you're passionate about. Adding these to your daily tasks is essential for maintaining balance. Next, add these self-care tasks to your My Day view. This feature lets you prioritize what's important for the current day, ensuring those tasks remain in focus. Remember to set realistic due dates and reminders for each activity. This way you'll have specific times allocated for your self-care within your schedule, complete with timely reminders. This helps to keep things organized and ensures you don't overlook these important moments amid everything else. When you're adding tasks, try to use natural language. Simple phrases like 30 minutes of yoga or read for 1 hour can swiftly translate into actionable tasks, making it easier for you to insert these activities without overthinking the specifics. It's also important to consider a few key points as you set up your self-care schedule. Consistency is crucial. Implementing a regular schedule for these activities helps build the habit and highlights the importance of your well-being. However, remember that flexibility is your friend. Life can sometimes throw unexpected events your way. In those cases, don't be afraid to adjust your tasks as necessary, but try to incorporate some form of me time regardless. Lastly, tracking your progress can be incredibly motivating, especially if you're working towards a specific self-care goal. Microsoft To Do offers features that allow you to monitor your achievements, helping you stay on track and see the benefits of your efforts over time. There you have it. By including self-care activities in your Microsoft To Do list, you ensure that these critical moments don't get sidetracked, ultimately helping you maintain a healthier, balanced lifestyle.